This is a very exciting day. We are relaunching EagleCam.
The other one was damaged in some high winds a couple winters ago, and we've been looking for a new space, and this one just kind of presented itself.
There are several parameters that have to fall into place in order for us to be able to put a camera in. We looked around for 2 years for the proper nest, and we finally found one, and we feel like this is just a really great location, and it's a nice, young, healthy tree that these eagles chose.
We're putting the camera up in a time where the eagles aren't using the nest. It's unobtrusive, and they will then do what they normally do at the nest, and we get to have a little sneak peek.
And we do know that these eagles have been successful parents for the last several seasons as well, so we know that it's occupied and they're good parents.
This is like the best nature reality show you could ask for. We've got schools that watch them, we've got nature centers that view them, we've got just people that are interested.
Minnesota IT, they came early this morning to attach a box that is weatherproof, and then Allstate showed up to actually install the camera part.
My project manager called me and his first question was, "Are you afraid of heights?" And I said, no, as long as I'm safe, I feel fine. I've never seen inside an eagle's nest before, but it was cool looking.
And after that, the cables get installed. And to do all of that in the tree itself, we needed XL Energy. And XL Energy is the company that offered us their services for free many, many years ago. They've never charged us for anything that they've done, and it's just been an awesome relationship with XL.
XL and the DNR work hand in hand a lot of the times, whether it be on projects that we're doing now or down the line, or, in the past it's just been, banding the eagles, or, if there's an injury or something like that. There's no money being exchanged.
We have the highest population of bald eagles in the lower 48 states in Minnesota, and once we put the camera up, people started really paying attention to the Nongame program, and that's the purpose of this camera, is to raise awareness about our program and what we do.
Your donations helped us bring eagles back on a national scale. This is why we're launching on Give to the Max Day. We want you to be a part of it, and we want you to continue helping us help our wildlife.
We are that little checkoff on your tax forms, the line with the loon. You can donate $1, you can donate $20, you can donate your estate after you pass. Those dollars are all double matched by the Critical Habitat License Plate Fund.
Those are the license plates you see out there with loons on them or chickadees. They're fun to put on your car, and they kind of show that you support our Nongame wildlife.
Today was a culmination of a lot of hard work by a lot of people, and I could not do this without this great team that we have. I've come to love bald eagles. It's just really a fun project to be a part of.